Hi guys, I've got a Echo CS3510. I thought you might want to see what it looks like, brand new. So we're gonna open it and see what we got. Okay, we got an owner's manual. That's a little different. It has two nuts instead of one to hold the bar on. Little one. Owner's manual. Can't be that. That could have to be part Spanish, and it is. 1/4 of it is English. Well, now our adjustments are right there. We got to loosen up these two nuts. Looks like it's a little bit more spring loaded than normal, but we're going to put fuel in it and oil, and we'll let you see how it works. Catch you later. So I'm going to give this thing a shot. See how this little Echo CS3510 does. And here we go.